Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
This slide explains what Goal-Seek does and where to find it in Calc. Goal-Seek adjusts one changing cell to reach a target value in a single target cell. Open the Tools menu and choose Goal-Seek to start the dialog. In the dialog, set the target cell that holds the formula you want to change. Enter the numeric target value you want to reach, such as 15,000 or 0. Set the changing cell that Calc can modify to reach the goal. Goal-Seek solves only one variable problems and stops when it reaches its tolerance. Now we walk through a concrete example to find a sale price that yields 5,000 profit. Put your profit formula in cell B1 and enter a starting price in B2. For this example, use target value 15,000 to represent 5,000 of profit. Open Tools Goal-Seek and set target cell to B1 and changing cell to B2. Click OK and allow Calc to iterate through values until it converges on a price that makes B1 equal 15,000. The dialog will show the found value and update the spreadsheet accordingly. This slide covers limits and best practices when using Goal-Seek in Calc. Remember that Goal-Seek changes only one cell, so use Solver for 2 or more variables. If Goal-Seek fails to converge, change the starting value or adjust tolerance settings and try again. Watch for multiple valid solutions. Test alternative starting points to discover them. Always record the found values and verify results by recalculating the formula manually. These steps ensure reliable outcomes and help you decide when to switch to Solver for complex models.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.